In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product in Circle.so. This process will help you set up a new product or plan that your members can purchase or access. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. This is where all the magic happens. Once inside your dashboard, you should head over to the settings section. Here you'll find multiple options, but the one we need is labeled payments. Just click on it and then navigate to Plans. Now that you're in the Plans section, the next step is to create a new plan. You'll see an option to Create Plan. Just click on that, and you're well on your way to setting up your product. At this point, the system will prompt you to enter a name for your product or plan. This name will be how your users identify what they're purchasing or gaining access to. So choose something clear and descriptive. Moving on, it's time to set the pricing for your product. You have the option to make it either free or paid. Deciding on the price is crucial as it determines the perceived value of your offering. So take a moment to consider what will work best for your audience. The next step is to select the access level or space that your product will unlock. This means choosing what your customers will gain access to once they purchase the product. Ensure that this matches the goals you've set for your project. Optionally, you can add a description or even an image for your product. This is a great way to communicate more about what you're offering and can be especially useful if you want to entice your members with visuals or detailed explanations. Once you have all the details entered, the next thing you want to do is click Save. This step consolidates all your information and officially creates the product in your Circle account. Now let's move on to assigning this product to a space. Still in your dashboard, click on Spaces, select the appropriate space, and then go into its settings. Once there, navigate to Access. Within the Access section, there will be an option to toggle Require Paid Plan. You'll want to enable this and then select the newly created product from the list. Don't forget to click Save Changes to ensure that this setting is applied. Finally, to make your product available to your users, you must share either a checkout link or an invite link. This allows your members to access the product directly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a new product in Circle, so making it available for your community members to access or purchase. Remember to double check each step and don't hesitate to explore the other features Circle.so offers as you continue to build your community. Thanks for watching and happy product creating.